Hello, it's Maria here with you, and welcome to the Not2Shabby's Arctic Winter Hop. There is a giveaway today as we showcase the November box by Not2Shabby. There is also a $25 gift certificate up for grabs. So hop along with us and enter the raffle copter link in the description box below so that you can enter the giveaway. If you would like to see the components of the November box, I have a separate video on my channel so that you can see all of them. But these are the two stamp sets that I am using today for the two cards that we're making. And for the sake of brevity, I know that you guys are hopping along, so I have already colored the images using my Copic markers and Spectrum Noir alcohol markers. And here's what they look like. I really love the images in this November box. So now we are going to just die cut the images using my scan and cut machine, and then we are going to assemble the card. For the first card, we are going to create a slimline card, and this is a die set that I have from my collection called Slimline Woodland die set, and I'm also using the paper pack that is included in the November box called Arctic Winter. Since this is not a slimline paper pack, I just wanted that sky over there, the snowy sky, so I just cut them. And then now we are going to cut the main frame using some 110-pound Nina Solar White cardstock. We are going to adhere this on a slimline card base, which is 8.5 by 7 folded in half. And before we assemble the card, I decided to stamp the sentiment first using some Lawn Fawn ink called Lobster. So I just used my eraser there just to get some good impression when stamping this sentiment, and I used my Stampendable as well. So now I've foam mounted the main frame to the card base, and we are going to adhere the white die cut first, and then also going to adhere the blue die cut from the Arctic Winter paper pack collection. So we are going to adhere the little critters with liquid glue. I decided not to foam mount them because I was also going to use my Nuvo drops to add some texture to the background and make it look like snow. And as I was doing this, I noticed that the sentiment that I stamped looked kind of like it bled a little, and that was really driving me crazy. So I decided to stamp it on some red cardstock with my Versamark ink and then heat set with my heating tool. And now I'm going to cover that so that it doesn't look awful. I mean, to me, it looked like it bled, and I really hated that, so I covered it up. I just added some red bow, and then that finishes the first card. And now we're ready to assemble the second card. I'm just using this stencil by My Favorite Things, and don't worry, everything will be listed in the description box below with all the supplies that I used today. I saw this color combination from Nicole Spohr the other day, and I really love it, so I'm using Twisted Citron, Kitsch Flamingo or something like that, and Salvage Patina, and I really like that color combination. So I sprayed some water to get the oxidized effect and just picked up the excess using my microfiber cloth. And now I decided to cover this and create a frame because Bristol Smooth white cardstock is not very white. So what I did was I just traced the outline, and then I used my X-Acto knife to cut out the middle, and now we created that as a frame and foam mounted it to the colored panel. I'm just adding the snow since this is snowy Arctic theme card, so I decided to add the snow there and just going to insert that, adhering it with my tape runner. I also have some die cuts, and these are dies by Newton's Nook, and I'm just adhering those trees with my liquid glue, and then we will add the cute little bear that's holding the heart. And so now we're ready to stamp the sentiment. I'm just going to stamp this using some VersaFine Onyx black ink. And then I decided to add more details and texture to this card by using my white gel pen, and I was just drawing some dots there, different sizes of dots and stars to the background. and I really love how this turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. Please join the giveaway by clicking the raffle copter link below. And if you like the cards, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it, and it helps my channel. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified of new content from this channel. Thank you again for stopping by today, and happy crafting!